Hi everyone. This is a sort of message to everyone because there's a lot of fake news going around on the internet and on YouTube. So I guess some people are ruffled. The first thing is they said that there's a GST case, etc., etc. There is nothing of that sort. We have had no GST case, no GST harassment. In fact, GST officials have been very good with us, and any issues we have, they always help us to find a solution. It's the same with some other departments of the government, including the chief minister. He's a great, great human being, and he's always looked and helped us. However, the officials on the ground are what create trouble. Another thing that went around was also that we have a staff, an ex-staff that we have no ex-staff called Darren or whoever, and that is fake news spread by political party, and that political party is not the BJP. It's another well-known political party. They're afraid that I will be against them in the next election. So don't listen to everything you hear. Okay? Cheers. Bye.